This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ubisoft Store region. First, you will need to log out of your current account and clear your browser's cache. Next, activate a virtual private network, or VPN, connecting to your desired country. After that, log back into your Ubisoft account and browse the store. Finally, complete your purchase using a payment method valid for that region. This process ensures you access the content you need. Understanding why region matters is crucial for a smooth experience. Ubisoft often tailors its product catalog and pricing to specific geographical locations. This means a game available in one country might be restricted or more expensive in another. Attempting to purchase from the wrong region could result in your game not launching correctly or even being entirely inaccessible from your usual location. It's important to align your purchase region with your access needs. Preparation is key before attempting any region change. Begin by logging completely out of your Ubisoft account on all devices. Then, clear your web browser's cache and cookies to remove any lingering location data. The next critical step involves activating a virtual private network, commonly known as a VPN. Select a server location that corresponds to the region you wish to access. For example, if you want United States pricing, connect to a United States server. This masks your true location. Once your VPN is active and connected to your chosen country, open your browser and navigate to the Ubisoft Store website. You should immediately see the store reflecting the pricing and game availability of your selected region. Browse for the game you wish to purchase. When checking out, ensure you use a payment method that is valid and accepted in that specific region. This might involve using a credit card from that country or a digital payment service associated with that location. Your store should update automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.